From ActionableOps, here's the capstone. By the end of this video, your phone buzzes with a custom news briefing every single morning, built by you, running on its own. This one ties together 4 things from this series: web search, cron scheduling, delegation, and messaging. No code. The flow is simple. At 8 a.m., Hermes wakes up in a fresh session, searches the web for the topics you care about, summarizes the best of it, and sends the briefing straight to your phone. You need 3 things in place: the gateway running, because that's what fires cron jobs, a firecrawl key so web search works, and a messaging platform like Telegram with a home channel set. No messaging yet? Deliver to local files and read them anytime. Step 1. Never automate something you haven't seen work. Open a chat and just ask. Search for the latest news on AI agents and open-source LLMs, and summarize the top 3 stories with links. Tweak the wording, the format, and the tone until you get a briefing you'd actually want to read. Now the one rule that makes or breaks this. A cron job runs in a brand new session with 0 memory of this chat. So, do my usual briefing will fail completely. Your prompt has to spell out everything: what to search, how many stories, the format, and the tone, all in one self-contained block. Step 2. Schedule it. Use /cron_add, a cron expression, and your full prompt. 08*** means 8 a.m. every day. Add deliver telegram on the end. Or skip the syntax entirely and just say, every morning at 8, run this briefing and send it to Telegram. Don't wait until tomorrow to find out it's broken. You can now run a job by its name, case insensitive, so just say /cron_run, then your job's name, to fire it right now, no hunting for a hex ID. Run, pause, resume, remove, and the new edit verb all take a name. Check that the briefing lands in Telegram and looks the way you want. Then make it yours. Cover several topics in sections. Run it weekdays only with 08** 1 through 5. Add an evening recap. Or give it a persona. You're briefing a senior engineer who cares about open models. Skip the funding news. The more you tell it who it's for, the sharper it gets. Want it faster and deeper? Have it delegate. Tell Hermes to hand each topic to its own subagent, so 3 researchers work in parallel. Then the main agent stitches their findings into one clean briefing. That's the delegation pattern from earlier, doing real work for you on a schedule. Last thing, make it durable. Since the gateway runs your cron, install it as a service with Hermes Gateway Install so it survives a reboot, and check Hermes cron status to confirm the scheduler is alive. That's it. Tomorrow morning, your briefing just shows up. That's your daily briefing bot, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.